Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to be exploring a DL10 module application. In today's fast-paced healthcare industry, ensuring that temperature-sensitive medical supplies, such as vaccines, pharmaceuticals, and blood products, are transported safely is more critical than ever. Proper environmental control during transport not only guarantees the effectiveness of these products but also ensures compliance with strict regulations. Before we get into the rest of the video, please remember to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any more of our informative content. And visit us on our website to learn more about us and our products. Imagine a situation where a batch of life-saving vaccines needs to be transported from a warehouse to a medical clinic. These vaccines must be kept within a narrow temperature range, between 2 degrees Celsius and 8 degrees Celsius, to remain effective. Any deviation from this range can render the vaccines useless, putting patients at risk and potentially wasting a valuable shipment. This is where advanced technology, like the DL10 sensor, comes into play. The DL10 helps monitor the temperature and humidity of the transport environment, providing real-time data to ensure these conditions are met. Let's take a closer look at how this system works. The system begins with the ICP DAS DL-10 sensors, installed in key locations within the transport vehicle or container. These compact, reliable devices continuously measure the temperature and humidity of the environment. The data collected by the DL-10 sensors is sent to an IoT gateway, which acts as an aggregator, collecting data from multiple sensors and sending it to a central server. The server can be either cloud-based or local, depending on the needs of the transportation system. From here, the data is available for real-time monitoring through a web dashboard or mobile app. Healthcare personnel can keep track of the environmental conditions throughout the journey, ensuring that the vaccines stay within the required temperature range. If the temperature or humidity falls outside the safe zone, the system triggers an immediate alert, notifying the relevant personnel via SMS, email, or mobile notification. This enables quick corrective actions, like adjusting the refrigeration system or rerouting the shipment. By integrating the ICP DAS DL10 sensors into the transportation of medical supplies, healthcare organizations can significantly reduce the risk of product degradation. With real-time monitoring, automatic alerts, and detailed data logging, this system provides the confidence that temperature-sensitive items remain safe, effective, and compliant throughout their journey. This is just one example of how IoT technology can make a difference in the transportation and management of critical medical products, ensuring patient safety and maintaining the integrity of healthcare systems. Thanks so much for watching this video. Please don't forget to give this a like and subscribe to our channel. And please leave us a comment to let us know what you think or ask any questions related to this application, or visit us on our website and chat with our team to find a solution you're looking for. See you next time.